Hi, what's up, guys? So today I made this farmer pixel art, and I will just show you how I did it in less than 30 minutes. And it kind of takes a bit of time, but it's worth it in the end. So if you look at this one, and I did this for 3 frames, and if you look at this one and this one, which is a male and female ones, uh, I just use a low spec palette, and that really works for me. And if you trying to find that one, I'll just have the link on the description, and it's just basically this Resurrect 64 palette. Works really good. So other than that, I just you know fixed some colors and gave it a hole because he's a or she's a farmer and has a hat which has good lighting. I made the lighting also, and some kind of a small animation. But before that, I just had the silhouette, as you can see, and you need to just first understand what silhouette looks like. If you can really, recognize the silhouette, that means you are doing kind of good work. So you gotta first recognize the silhouette, and then after that, you need to just work on the colors. If you're not good at the colors, like me, you can do what I do and ask ChatGPT about it. I just give the palette to the ChatGPT and ask him to make the colors for me. So it just helps me out, and I use that color. And that's really it, guys. And if you wanna make something like this, or probably something better, just you need to look at the other people doing it, and you need to just improve yourself. And that's really it, guys. If you wanna see me continue this kind of series, please share a like, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.